Hey there, it is Tom Sawyer on behalf of Indie Structural Productions once again, and with a very different video. Well, not very different, but I received something in the mail that I've been very much looking forward to for a good while now. Of course, you're seeing the title of the video, so you already know what this is about, but basically, immediately when I saw this, I had to pre-order it. And maybe I should give you guys a close-up. Basically, just an unboxing video of me unboxing this and kind of having a look at it. But I have been looking forward to this for a very, very long time. So I'm gonna give you a close-up. All right, so. Oh, that's nice. All right, so what you can see from the label here, it says Savage Industries. So this is the workshop apron designed by Adam Savage. He did one for himself, and then they started making a sort of like production version of this. And let's try it on. Somewhat bothersome of it being up against the light there, but yeah. Let's have a look at what this looks like. So there's plenty of adjustment, clearly. Oh man, I love the label on the back. That's really nice. Got a loop for a hammer on both sides. Pouches, leather pouches. Good pockets. All right. Loops for your legs, which is also handy. Get this sized up for me. So, originally there was only the one size when the pre-orders came in. But this ended up being, I guess, the medium, if I remember correctly. Oh, I've undone that. I wonder if it needs to sit a bit higher up. Now, what I think might need to be done, lower this a bit. What I think might need a little bit of doing is just shortening these straps a bit. But I understand that there should be, because, you know, we all come in different shapes and sizes. But yeah, let's kit this out. So, gonna need some of the important tools. That's something that I use quite frequently. Scalpel there. I do need some pencils, Sharpie. Good to have a good Sharpie. Have a couple of those in there. Can't go wrong with having one of them. But basically, I mean, mostly this is a type of thing where it's like I'll take it to the workshop when I go to the workshop. But during home use, it is very, very good for me to use so I don't ruin all my clothes, because I have a habit of gluing something up or working on with stains and stuff like that, and then completely ruining my jeans or ruining my shirt or something like that. But this is very nice, good movability. Basically, I don't know if you can see this, but the apron is cut into two, like sort of like pant legs that then clip around your leg, which make it very easy for you to like move around, crouch, without all your tools falling out. And the fact that there are so many pockets to utilize just makes it all that much better. All right. Yeah, I love it, and I can't wait to get more use out of it. Do need to figure something out with these, but yeah, I'll get to that when I get to that. Yeah, I dig it, and I'm glad I got it. And yeah, I just wanted to film this really quick video. You're gonna be seeing this apron a whole lot in the upcoming videos, because I'm probably gonna be wearing it a good bit, just to get used to it and then figure out what things I should put in pockets and where. It'll kind of get there, slowly but surely. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit like, comment down below, and subscribe to see more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.